Hey, tech besties. Welcome or welcome back to K Talks Tech. I'm Kay, so let's talk tech. Um, this I got a little story for you. This past weekend, I went to Dollar Tree, and much to my chagrin, a lot of items, actually, most of the items have moved from $1.25 to $1.50, and I was like clutching my pearls because, to me, my last bastion of bargains has now slipped into that tide of inflation that a lot of other places are experiencing. When they moved from a dollar to $1.25 and included some $3 to $5 items, there was a big announcement. They kind of eased you into it, let you know it was coming, but this time they didn't really do that. If they did, I didn't get the memo. Did you get the memo? Because I didn't get the memo. Anyway, my point is that the world is changing quickly and a lot of times without warning. And Dollar Tree, it's not a dollar store anymore. It's more like Dollar's Tree, right? And just like things are changing in retail, they're changing in the workplace too. You have, oops, I'm not going to fix that. So sorry for that. But you have got to get on top of those AI tools. AI tools are important. You can't just keep using it for writing and research. You need to infuse AI into everything you're doing at work and find that list of tools that you use on a regular. You have to cultivate yourself almost like a bag of magic tricks. When I was a kid, they had this movie, not movie, they had this cartoon called Felix the Cat and his bag of magic tricks. And he had that old black doctor's bag that you see in the old Western movies that the doctor carries. And in there, whatever the situation was, he could pull out something to help. You got to get yourself like that with AI, okay? You want to be an AI first professional because it's going to help you get jobs and keep jobs. You will be able to work circles around your coworkers and they're going to catch up. So you got to stay on top of it. So I'd like you to start just jumping in with both feet and learn at least 6 new AI tools with me on September 18th from 3 to 4 p.m. All online, all hands on. Don't be taken aback by it being 6 because it could be 8 if we have time. All simple to use. I'm using all free versions of software, so you'll be able to use those too because getting all these softwares could get expensive. But you can pick just one that you use a lot and pay for that one if you need to. Um, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'll show you how to um, write some prompts and um, at least through examples, show you effective prompting. We're going to work with some of the LLMs, the large language models like ChatGPT to do some things. But then we're going to do some other things where we create artifacts that business professionals create from text, slide presentations, flows, and prototypes from text. If we have time, I will get into a bonus um, a bonus use case, and we'll write a little app from text, no code. Okay. So I think it's going to be fun. I would love for you to come. Go to aitoolsjumpstart.eventbrite.com and sign up because AI is the next great disruptor, and it's even more disruptive than the internet. It's much closer to when people started having computers at home. If some of you can remember back that far. Those of you who are old enough to remember before we had computers at home. And it's that invasive, but it's on steroids, okay? Um, AI won't be able to replace most people at work yet. So step up your AI tools game. Come to this workshop. After the workshop, we'll have a little Q&A session. Um, and yeah, I think you're going to like it. So I hope to see you there. All right, like the video, share the video, follow the channel, and then come back again when we will continue to talk tech.